For this tutorial, I want to show you how to reset the rotation or the position or the scale of the bone like the original in the rest position. I click the rest position, then you will see the original rotation and the position or the scale. This is the post position. I key in Alt R, then the rotation go back to the original like the rest position. R for rotation. Then if I want to adjust the location, I key in Alt G. Now it's the same. Maybe you have changed the scale of the bone and you want to go back to the original. You do the same thing. You just key in your keyboard Alt plus S. That's it. What you have to do for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy and see you for the next time. Thank you very much.